The National Troupe of Nigeria has embarked on an inspection tour to the 10 selected schools that will participate in the forthcoming Children's Creative Station, which is scheduled to hold on Saturday, 2nd October this year. Project Coordinator and Director, Technical and Production Services of the troupe, Pamela Udoko, who had led the team, says the inspection is aimed at ascertaining the levels of preparedness for the schools and to make a cash donation as promised during the workshop as a support for them to buy costumes for the Children's Creative Station. Bauchi State correspondent Howard Hassan completes the story.
The entourage, which was led by Mrs. Pamela Udoka, Project Coordinator and Director, Technical and Production Services of the National Troupe of Nigeria, comprised a representative of the State Ministry of Education, as well as journalists to visit the schools which were selected to participate in the Children's Creative Station. The aim of the visit was to monitor the level of preparedness of the schools and to make cash donation which is meant to support the participating schools.
Yeah, it's to monitor. First of all, we needed to disburse the funds, like my Chief Executive, Mr. Mohammed Ahmed, promised them on the final day of the workshop that each school will get 50,000 naira to support their costumes and props. So going round, I had to now disburse those funds to the schools. That's one. Then two, to also monitor to see that they are rehearsing and they are preparing for the competition. So that basically that's why I was going around.
She says going around the school is a good idea not only for the disbursement of the fund, but also to ginger them up.
As expected, not all of them are at the same level of preparedness. I observed that some of them, despite the rain, like it's raining today, I'm sure my clothes are even wet. It's raining today, but some of them are in school, rehearsing. Some didn't come, and the excuse was that it was raining. You understand? So I think going around like this to monitor will now ginger those who were not rehearsing or who were still taking it very lightly to be serious. So I think this going around the individual schools was a good idea for me to take that trip.
The schools visited expressed gratitude for the gesture and have shown full commitment and readiness to display their best during the competition.
It's an opportunity to us, and we want to show the world that at least we too can partake in it, and we should be able to make a difference.
Drama has been fading away in school system, but now that we are trying to revive it, we have to say thank you to you, and we have to appreciate the initiative.
We really appreciate. More grace to the elbow, and we hope they will organize more and more and more of such programs.
The National Troupe of Nigeria Children's Creative Station is scheduled to take place on the 2nd of October this year in Bauchi State, with 10 schools selected to participate. Awal Hassan, VOA TV News, Bauchi.